welcome to this new ukulele lesson with Vuvava Tahiti. Today I'm gonna teach you a Tahitian song entitled Anavai Ora by a local singer, Sabrina Laughlin. This song is about a praise to a river, Anavai, on the island of Tahaa. And it thanks the river to bring all the wealth and all the life to the island, and say to our people to protect it as much as they can, and to be always thankful for this. So the song is played in 7 chords, so I'm going to show you how to do those 7 chords, and then I'm going to show you the strumming pattern. Let's play. Now for the chord, we're going to start with the C chord. You put your index finger on the bottom string of the 3rd fret. Then we have the C7 chord. On the same string, you just go up on the 1st fret with your index finger, so the bottom string of the 1st fret. Then again, with your index finger, you put it on the up string this time of the 2nd fret. Then we have the F chord. So you put your index finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and your middle finger on the up string of the 2nd fret, right here. In the same position, you just add your ring finger just behind your middle finger, so on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and it gives you a D minor chord. Next is the G chord, so you put your index finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, your middle finger on the bottom string of the 2nd fret, and then your ring finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, right here. So those 2 and this one. And then we have the G7 chord. So you put your index finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, your middle finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the bottom string of the 2nd fret. And we're done with the chord. Now the strum. So for the strum, it's a basic pattern. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. With the chords. Thank you for playing with me today. I hope you liked it. Go check out the original song. I put the link in the description. It's really a beautiful song. Also, I had put the translation of lyrics, as always. Don't hesitate to follow us on social media, and I see you next time for a new lesson. Bye bye!